C.K. Birla Hospital, CMRI participates in India's first multicentric trial of supernova stent retriever, only hospital in eastern India to participate in trial. Kolkata, the 4th of September 2025, C.K. Birla Hospital, CMRI, the legacy multi-speciality hospital today hosted a press conference on successful participation in India's first multicentric trial of supernova stent retriever. The multicentric clinical trial was recently concluded successfully, a landmark achievement for stroke care and medical innovation in India. C.K. Birla Hospitals, CMRI was the only hospital in eastern India participating in the trial. This pioneering trial marks a significant milestone as the first ever multicenter study in India focused on validating a new stent retriever device, showcasing India's growing capabilities in high-quality medical research and device validation, concludes Dr. Deep Das, Professor of Neurology and Consultant Neurointerventionalist at CMRI, Kolkata. The stent retriever is designed to drastically reduce the cost of stroke intervention devices by more than 50%. Developed with precision and advanced technology, the device ensures targeted treatment for Indian patients with large artery occlusions, maximizing success rates while maintaining safety standards. Dr. Dilip Yavagal, Global Principal Investigator of the trial, believes that as we make advanced stroke care affordable, life-saving procedures will become more accessible for patients across India, regardless of their socioeconomic status. Commenting on CMRI's successful participation in the trial, Mr. Somrata Ray, Unit Head at CMRI Kolkata said, "We, at CMRI, are focused on advancing our neurological capabilities, and this trial was a testament to our commitment. As the only hospital from eastern India to participate in this trial, we understand the responsibility we hold, and we take this responsibility seriously. Participating in this trial also reinforces our ongoing efforts to combine clinical expertise, research, and innovation to improve outcomes for patients from across the country and beyond. We hope that initiatives like this inspire wider adoption of indigenous medical technologies, ultimately benefiting patients across India." As the trial successfully concludes, the focus has shifted to swiftly initiating local manufacturing. This rapid turnaround not only ensures timely availability of the device but also reinforces India's potential as a hub for medical device production, exemplifying the government's Make in India initiative. Echoing the sentiment, Dr. Shashwat M. Desai, who designed the device, emphasizes that through this trial, we have demonstrated that India is ready to lead in the development and validation of advanced medical technologies. Developed by Gravity Medical Technology, the device will address the urgent need for advanced stroke care in India, where 17 lakh people are affected each year. By expanding access to timely thrombectomy, the device has the potential to save countless lives and prevent lifelong paralysis. This innovation represents a new era of hope for stroke patients and their families, said Dr. Biman Kanti Ray, Senior Consultant Neurologist.
So with this, আমাদের 55 years hospital হলেও we have done not many things for the patient care. So we are standing on three pillars. One is clinical excellence, ethical practice, patient centricity. আর এই তিনটের জন্য for these three pillars, anything available in the world in terms of technology, care, for the benefit of the patient, we have got everything, and we are trying to get few more things so that under one roof, patient gets a holistic treatment, 360 degree.
This was a huge trial, and there was lack of fund. For a disclaimer, we have not taken any honorarium, any monetary exchange between the hospitals who have participated in the trial. So this is extremely beneficial for the patient. We have done it all free of cost, and we have finally got the clearance from the CDSCO for marketing of the device after it has undergone a very successful trial completion. So without delay, I would just request Dr. Shashwat to show us a few slides which will make it very clear what is the concept, how it has percolated, how it has been done real time, and after that Professor Biman Kanti Ray will all know him. He is a pioneer available as possible. So Shashwat, can you please start your deliberation? Thank you.
Dr. Lee Das at CMRI for hosting this event. Thank you to everyone who's here today from the press and from the media team. Before I share my slides and talk about it, I'll quickly introduce myself. I'm Dr. Shashwat Desai. I'm originally from Mumbai. I did my MBBS in Mumbai and then went for further training to the US, and very fortunately got in touch with Dr. Deep Das, Dr. Ray 2 years ago, and we were able to execute this trial in Kolkata and all over India. I'll begin my presentation soon, but I can see everyone on my screen right now. With a show of hands, can everyone who has everyone seen a stroke patient before who's had some form of paralysis or weakness in their body? If yes, then please raise your hand.